like what's happening with my tray is like it's not changing to the proper, you know, gear. It's like it's folding as well. It's not when I normally go reverse. So this one will take me all the way to Shepherd's Drive. This is the Coomera Connector. And on the other side is called M9. There, that's M9 Coomera Connector. And there's no one here. Are you kidding me? Someone's flying a plane. What's happening there? And all this, I don't know where we are now. Here it comes another going up and down. And it's like, it says 80, but here it says like up and down, up and down. It was worth it, wasn't it? What's down there? I think there's another bypass or something. It's over there. But where does it go? And that's it. All the way back to the boatyard. Hazard nearby, and it's going at 22, 21. I'm not even pedaling. Quick road, probably. We're passing. How is that? Where's that one? Stages or something? It says stage something. The Coomera Connector. This is M9, it's not M1. We're in Shepherd's Drive. We'll go all the way to the end of where's the beginning? Where's the Sheepers Drive? Sheepers Drive is that way. It's, oh yeah. This is Sheepers Drive. Oh, okay. Where's Sheepers Drive? Here. Should have sign. We don't have a sign. So, this is Sheepers Drive. Here. Is that all the way there? I know there's the bridge there. Let's see how far this one is. Because this is Sheepers Drive all the way down there. Let's check that. Right. So that's another path, Sheepers Drive all the way there to Foxwell. This is Sheepers Drive, so it goes all the way to Foxwell Drive. And I thought that is not finished, or is it finished? Is it finished or not finished? Is it finished? I know it goes all the way to Foxwell Drive. I'll just check 1 minute. Have to cross here. And that's fine.
I see the colors, they swirl around you. I see a network of stars in your eyes. I'm going back to the place where I found you. I'm gonna make a hole in the universe, so I can be with you here on earth. When the sun comes up, I will go. It's like a tunnel or a hidden wire. Even our bodies are made up of waves. I'm going back to the place where I found you. I'm gonna make a hole in the universe, so I can be with you here on earth. When the sun goes up, I will go. When the light in your closet shines, just reach your hand in and feel for mine. When the sun goes up, I will go. I don't like to sleep without you. I don't like when the light in your closet shines, just reach your hand in and feel for mine. When the sun comes up, I will go. I'm gonna make a hole in the universe, so I can be with you here on earth. When the sun comes up, I will go.
I've seen it. That's enough for me. I need to go all the way to Foxwell Drive. That's fine.
When we were younger, we thought we were invincible.
I think that's the Coomera. What they call it.
The weekend riding 6 deep in a Volvo.
I don't want to ride anymore.
Buying drugs from the kid across town, headed to your parents' house. I played it cool, but I was so
isn't the biggest cog. That's the slowest. That's the fastest one. One is the lowest gear. One is the smallest. That is the hardest. Awesome. Right. Go music. Go music. Ayan na na. It's a red light. Okay. It's a red light. Ayan, go across it. No one there. They're not going wide. Who's calling? This is M9 to the right. And I have to cross it. I have to cross the line. I have to go back to the M9 or the bridge. I don't think it's on this side. It's on the other side. It's not on this one. What's wrong with you? I need to get up to the next one. This is oh yeah, and then I'll exit Helensvale now. Siri, one volume up. I know it's better than Miriam, but you're not playing my music. I know it's better than Bumad. Where's my connector? It's over there. The next one. to the city and back. Except I need to pedal. I need to get my knees stronger. At least this one was, what was that? Elevation and that going up and down. I need the wind going. He keep it 30, 40, as long as it's not too hot. But this is southeast. Don't push me. Woo! I'm sorry. Like close to the Motor 1 M1 to my right. That's what the M1 is.